Hello. I've heard that a lot of people don't know how to make cheese. So, I'm gonna show you how I do it. There's different houses, they do different styles. This is how I make mine. What you're gonna need is, of course, milk, whatever quality you want, a lemon. On the top right, there is a cheesecloth. You're gonna need that to strain it. And then on the left, I use the same container to strain it, and that's where the whey is. It's really good. And then in the middle bottom, there's the cheese. I already kind of ate some because it was so good. And then the brown stuff in it, it's actually like I didn't stir it enough because I got bored or whatever. You have to maintain a good speed. Stir it, okay? Otherwise it will stick to the bottom and it's gonna have some brown stuff there. Doesn't look good, but it tastes okay. And then on the right side, that's the cheese in the cheesecloth. Almost ready to eat. So put it to boil in a pot, you know what I mean, and stir, like wax on, wax off. Get the lemon, cut it in whatever, how many pieces you want. I did mine in 2. And then keep the juice some like close. If you want to, that's the cheesecloth, have that ready as well. It's gonna bubble. It's almost time. There it is. And if you don't like the people you make the cheese for, you can leave the seeds of the lemon in there. I took mine out because I like myself. And as you can see, it's already starting to separate. It looks like baby spit up. But it's gonna get better. And it tastes okay. You can add salt right now. Yum, yum, yum. Mix, mix, mix. See, it already like got stuck to the bottom and got brown. So scrape it off while it still boils. Okay, now this is self-explanatory, I hope. It will keep going like this and turn into like a almost clear liquid. And now you start to pour slowly because it's hot. Don't get hurt. There it is. The separation begins, and that's a good one. Almost done. So in the bottle, that's whey liquid, and it's super good if you don't mind the taste. It doesn't really taste like anything. I put mine in smoothies or just drink it in the morning, like a half a cup. It builds muscle. Read about it. I'm not a doctor, but I do that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. See, now it looks like the testicle of a bull. It does. So you're pretty much done. That's right there. You see the knife on the bottom? So the container I put it in, I'm not gonna say the name. If you recognize it, cool. If not, cool again. So it's made of glass. When you put anything hot in something glass, and that was pretty much right off the stove, it can explode, like pop. So you put something metal like a fork, or like I did, a knife, and then start pouring. Put it before you put the liquid in there, okay? It's gonna save you the trouble of cleaning up. Keep squeeze to make it less watery. And there it is. It's not that much. That was from that whole bottle. You can use like the gallon and get like maybe 3 times as much. But I eat that within like a week. That's just in case you didn't know how to keep it from exploding. It was so good. That's it. And the lemons, those are for another story. Use pretty much everything. And see ya. Bye.